Hello viewers, in this video I will try to give you some tips and some advice on how to prepare best for UGC NET paper 1 exam. If you are watching this video, that means you are serious about qualifying NET exam. So the first thing I would like to say about NET paper 1 exam is it is easy if you are focused, if you plan the syllabus. Without planning, without any kind of analysis, you will not be able to clear the exam. Sometimes luck may favor you, but ultimately, if you depend on luck, it will never going to be a good choice. Therefore, you must do planning and execute it. Then only your dream will be achieved. The first thing that is must be done by net aspirant is going through the syllabus extensively. You have to analyze each and every word as mentioned in the syllabus. We all know there are 10 module or 10 units in the syllabus. So in that 10 module, in each module there are sub units of topic. You must read them. You must go into uh, you must go in detail means without going in detail it will be completely detrimental for you. Therefore it is always better to go deep. So after going through the syllabus you will get to know that okay, these and these are the things that has been mentioned in the syllabus. But the second thing is you should also remember the syllabus. If you do not remember, then also it will hamper you in various ways. Therefore, each and every unit, each and every word and sentence of the syllabus must be uh, understood. That is a fundamental thing. But the second thing is you must try to remember it. You must try to store those things inside your brain or your mind. Okay, then whenever you can just try to uh, search about those topics in YouTube or in Google or through books or through any kind of sources that you would like to do, that you must do. And you must have plan that okay, there are 10 module in the syllabus. How many hours I must devote for each topic or for each unit or for each module? Can I finish all the syllabus within 7 days, within 10 days, within 1 month? How can I do it? You have to think about it. And that must be pragmatic. It must not be that ideal that okay, I will try to finish these two module within 1 day. Okay, so those kinds of things are not practical. So try to do which are achievable and practical. So the first thing that I have said is syllabus. You must know each and every word and sentence of the syllabus. You must know them in detail. Then only it will be completely easy for you to go to the second stage. And the second stage is previous year question paper. Without going through previous year question paper, you will not be able to grasp, or you will not be able to comprehend what kind of questions will come, or what kind of questions were asked in the previous years. Okay, therefore, since uh, since the beginning of net exam, you should try to collect those question paper. If I'm not wrong, it net exam started in 2002 or 4. Okay, so from that year you have to collect those question papers, and if you collect, then you will get to know what kind of question uh, are asked in previous years or in the last years. Now, after collecting those question papers, okay, from the beginning to the contemporary period, okay, from 2004 to 2023, okay, after collecting those question papers, now try to analyze it. Okay, if you solve only solution will not uh, enough, only solution will not do. You have to go through what kind of questions are asking from which topic of the syllabus. uh, is there any question that is asked twice in the successive years? That too you have to find out. Okay, and uh, what kind of topics are often asked? Okay, though there are so many units, there are so many subtopics in the syllabus, but you will see that from a specific topic, questions are often made, free questions are often asked. uh, and that thing you have to research. I have told you from 2004 to 2023. Okay, and if I talk about guidebook, then guidebook can give you insight. Okay, guidebooks can only give you insight. The rest you have to do your own research. The guidebook cannot uh, completely help you. You must do your own research, and that can be helpful if you go through previous year question paper. Okay, I have already uploaded more than 15 years question paper discussion and solution. You should also watch that if you are interested. And there are other YouTube channels too, or websites where you can get that. Go through that, and then when you will try to solve a question paper, previous year question paper, I have said many times that you must analyze that question in the context of syllabus, from which topic, from which unit this question is asked. And we all know there are 10 topics on units, 10 module, and from each module five questions will come, and each question will carry 5 marks, and there are no negative marks. Since there are no negative marks, you must not leave any question. Okay, you must do all the questions. Then number 3, this tip is quite practical, and you all know about data interpretation, which is uh, depicted in the syllabus. So data interpretation is not doable just by calculating inside your mind, unless you are a mathematical genius. Therefore, you must practice data interpretation questions. Okay, you must do at least 50 to 100 data interpretation questions. Then only it will be effortless for you to do in the examination hall. Got it? You must solve data interpretation question. And if you solve more than 100 data interpretation question, then in the exam hall it will be completely easy for you. You can do it within a very stipulated time. You won't take long. Okay. And uh, if you are efficient in data interpretation question, then you can fetch marks easily here. Okay, 10 marks will be yours. But if you talk about other things like teaching aptitude or communication theory, then in those areas uh, you can uh, garner mark, but still there are some room for uh, wrong answer. But in data interpretation, if you practice, it will be very easy and you can fetch mark here. Then number 4 is reasoning and numerical ability. If you go through the question paper previous year, then you will get to know that not so many, 5 reasoning or 5 numerical ability question will be asked. So those questions are little tough if you do not practice. Therefore, try to solve more than 200, 300 reasoning and numerical ability questions. So that will be a practice, and in that way, in the exam, you can do it quickly, and you can also fetch marks. Uh, you can also fetch marks completely. Okay, like if there are 10 marks, then you can fetch the 10 marks, but it needs practice. Without practice, you cannot do it. Number 5 is mock tests. Mock tests, there are many websites that offers mock tests for UGC Net Paper 1 and in some context in Paper 2 too. So if you think that okay, I can appear in mock tests, then you can appear, but only appear in mock test after having enough preparation. Then only you will be able to solve those questions and you can be confident about upcoming exams. Okay. And some mock tests, it cost money. So if you are not financially sound, then you can avoid it. It's okay, just try to solve previous year question paper by yourself. Number 6 is revision. So many people, they read, they study, but they skip revision. Revision is must. Without revision, you will forget many things. Our human brain is like that. We do our best, but still sometime if we do not revise it, we forget it. So try to always revise whatever you have been learning, whatever you have solved. Try to revise it till the uh, exam. Then number 7 is static GK. Static GK, this will apply to some unit of the syllabus like teaching aptitude and then research aptitude, communication theory. So these units are more or less it will remain same after 5 or 10 years too. Therefore, try to comprehend the concept of teaching aptitude, research aptitude, communication theory. In that way, it will be easy for you to get mark. Then number 8 thing, this thing is very simple. Since you all know that many contemporary or many questions which are currently going on, those things are also asked if it is related to a particular topic of our syllabus. If we talk about research aptitude, then many questions will be asked related to research aptitude and how research aptitude is changing, or how research is changing with the emergence of technology, that you have to find out. And it will also apply to communication, and it will also apply to teaching aptitude, or means in teaching aptitude unit, because teaching is also changing nowadays through video call, through Google Meet, through YouTube, and through various other uh, social media medium. Teaching is changing rapidly. What kind of instrument, what kind of tools are there which are making it happen? That thing you have to know. And many questions are asked about that. And that thing you will be able to know if you go through the previous year question paper. And then if it is possible, please try to do at least one full question paper practice, okay, every day till the day of the exam. If you do not do that, then it will be pretty difficult for you, because if you do one question paper daily, then if there are 25 question paper, it will be more than that, because twice a year exams is held. Uh, Therefore, there will be more than that. So always try to solve one question paper per day by yourself after watching the uh, discussion and solution video or any other way. And in that way, within 50 days, you will be able to solve 50 question paper. And then you can revise it, uh, the same thing in upcoming days. Like that, if you go on, then it will be completely easy for you. And please try to maintain consistency. Okay, it this is must. Without consistency, without discipline, uh, nothing is simple. Then it's a very simple thing. Comprehension question, uh, those comprehension questions are based on the given passage that you can do pretty quickly, but for that you must be focused. There will be 10 mark, and if you focused while reading the passage, then there is no room for wrong answer. So always try to read the given passage very carefully, each word, and then try to solve it. In that way, in the context of data interpretation and comprehension, you can get the full marks. You can get a 20 marks out of 20. Okay, so please be more precise and focus on comprehension and data interpretation. Okay, and this is a very relevant and significant thing, and that is you should find out frequently asked topic and questions. This I have already told you through one video. So that's all. I hope it will help you. This is my little endeavor to assist you in your upcoming exam, which will be held in December, if I'm not wrong. So you have now nearly 2 months, not 2 months, 1.5 months. So do your best. Thank you so much.